Approximately 1 week ago we cut this. Anyway, today, limb up the mango tree, you know? Yeah. So it still look good although I cut 1 week ago now. Nice. Yeah. Sometimes I saw me feel good, you know, and I come and see it say, why? Limb up the mango tree, you know, see Saturday. It's going so far. Yeah. Unfortunately, the limb roll over and catch the phone wire, but nothing major, but you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's here, eh? Yeah, what did you do with the buckle of water, man? Still here. Fixing up water now. Yeah. Off the house, man. Sweeping up our door. Look a bit for now, but they red. You gotta look some feet, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Do these works, man. Hi, Andre. I tell you. Yeah. So you go, man. A 2 trip this. Yeah, man. On the ground now. Right now we just need to just pack up everything and just retire. Day is hot. Tell you, man. Yeah, man, the hard work works. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man, I should just retire. Just play golf. Yeah.